Okay, so the next knot we're going to do is going to be the reef knot, which is one you might know from Cub Scouts if you've been there. So a simple enough knot. It has its uses on a boat, and it is an RYA required knot. So for tying two ends of the same line together, or even two bits of line together, you get both ends, one in each hand. You make your loop. This is like the sheep bend that we may have looked at earlier. Put it through and up like you would a sheep bend, around like you would a sheep bend, but then instead of going across the loop, so instead of doing that, you go down the hole and back out again. And that is a reef knot. Okay, so there we are. That's the reef knot when pulled firm. Now, not a big fan of reef knots. This will pull through if you've got a lot of force on it. So I don't really like reef knots, but they do have their uses. So just to go through that again, make the loop, up through the loop, around the loop, underneath and back, and then instead of going across the side, you go down the hole and back out the way you came. And that is a reef knot. Okay, now reef knots do have a tendency to capsize and to pull through with any force on, as you can see. And I could probably pull that through by hand. It's just the little bit at the end, the knot where it's being cut at the end, has just snagged slightly. Otherwise that would pull through. So not a cracking knot, but it has its uses. Okay, so there we are. So that is a reef knot. It's used to tie two ends of a line together, or two ends of similar diameter together. I hope you found this short video tutorial useful. If you did, please click the like button. This helps promote the video on YouTube. If you've got any of your own tips or experience you'd like to share, or you've got an idea for a video, let me know in the comments section below. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing and remember to click the little bell so you're notified when I release my next video. There are various links that might interest you in the description section under this video. Until next time, sail safe.